The intelligent home. When you walk up to your smart home will scan your face and unlock and open the door for you, knowing that you are its keeper. We can imagine a kitchen with a sliding robotic set of arms that can take care of such things as gathering and preparing food, washing dishes, and taking out and putting things away. This device might be activated through voice or through commands that are placed through a wireless device such as a phone. In the living room, there will be walls made of LEDs, or what might be called screen walls. Adaptive walls shift from displaying serene landscapes to immersive entertainment experiences. A whisper-quiet, atmospheric cleaning system maintains perfect air quality, while microscopic nanobots eliminate dust before it can settle. The living room will have a robot vacuum with its port centered somewhere in that room. There will be shoe warmers by the front door. Some of the living room furniture might be compact, meaning it can rise from the floor or come out of one of the walls. The future of furniture is multi-usable and multifunctional, as well as capable of being compact. The dining room will also have furniture like this. The food made in the kitchen by robot arms will be served by a general indoor robot. As you eat, subtle nutritional sensors in your utensils provide real-time health data, syncing with your personal wellness plan. The general indoor robot could take care of other things around the house, like organizing items that are out of place on a nightly basis. It might also be able to clean surfaces. If you have hard surfaces around your home, there might be a cleaning robot that shines the floors, similar to the vacuum robot. If your dog barks at the back door or scratches a certain spot, the back door could open up and let the dog do its business. Cleaning up after the cat could be something else the indoor robots do. Maybe your dog needs to be walked while you're away from home. A robot might be utilized to do this chore too. In the bathroom, the toilets, sinks, and bathtubs all are able to clean themselves. Robots might look after your children. You might have a half-body robot placed in the middle of a room, where it can converse with you and take on any personality. These kinds of robots can be used to infuse their listener with knowledge and act as ideal tutors. For younger children, playrooms feature interactive educational surfaces that stimulate creativity and cognitive development. As night falls, your bedroom prepares itself. The perfect sleep environment is created through a combination of temperature control, sound manipulation, and circadian-rhythm-optimizing lighting. Your bed analyzes your sleep patterns, adjusting its firmness and position throughout the night for optimal rest. This is not just a house, it's an ecosystem designed to enhance every aspect of your life, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with comfort and sustainability. In the future, everything gets more automated, including your home and the tasks that can be done in them by mechanical means.